Hello and welcome everyone. And presenting before you today is the course on financial modeling. Now you might be wondering why financial modeling. To share with you an example from my initial career part, I was working with JP Morgan. I joined as a first year analyst and I had little clue about making financial models. There were analysts all around me. They were working in banking sector, technology, media, telecom, etc. Almost all of them were making financial models in respect to their industries. Now, making a financial model isn't that difficult. What's difficult is finding the pitfalls where you might go wrong. The projections are invalid, the assumptions are wrong, the way the calculations are made are themselves wrong. So this time, when we created a course on financial modeling, we ensured that we also covered the pitfalls, the common errors and mistakes that analysts make. Once you get a good grip on this, you can work in different industries and domains. For example, if you're working in startup, you have to project the cash flows. If you're working in investment banks, you have to make balance sheet, income statement and financial statements, interlink them together and make forecasts. Not too far will be valuation methodologies. So sooner or later, if you're in the field of finance, accounting, analytics, you will be needing financial modeling.